So this is my closet. It's a bit messy. I have my bags all down there. I don't really have a proper storage for them, so I'll just put it there. Penang is gonna be hot, so I think I'll have to choose something that's light. I actually prefer to pack clothes for, like, you know, colder weather places, because I can like match it and I wouldn't have to worry about being too hot or too exposed, that kind of thing. And it's actually easy. Everything is like just long sleeve and just match the color and the texture or the patterns of the clothing. It's much easier that way, in my opinion, compared to, like, you know, summer places. I don't know, certain people, they love to pack for summer places because less things, less weight, thinner materials that doesn't really occupy much of your luggage space. So the thing with ladies is we always complain, no clothes to wear, actually, in fact, we have a lot of clothes in the closet. That's the irony of it. I think I have to start packing now instead of keep talking. Always so overwhelming to do packing, you know, although it's kind of fun, but at the same time overwhelming because there's so much things to do. And just in case that, oh, we forgot to bring this or we forgot to bring that, is okay, step by step, Emma, step by step. I'm gonna choose 5 tops and then I'm gonna see what I'm gonna match it with my 4 bottoms and also my 3 outerwear. Okay, let's start from there. I'm not a really fashionista kind of person. Okay, I'll just come back to you guys after I have choose the pieces. Okay, first of all, my 5 tops. This one, the singlet, this one. The third one is actually just like a crop top for me to wear on the inside. And I think this is considered top or maybe outerwear, I'm not too sure. It's just one outfit. Don't be so top job, everyone. I love this one. It says love yourself. You gotta love yourself. I got these 2 t-shirts. One is from Uniqlo. This is Save Humans, Save Cats. I love this one. It's very meaningful. This is from Apom, local designer, and it says Blurberry. Actually, it's folded. It's instead of Burberry, it's Blurberry. Tiap-tiap hari. And that's me. I always blur like every day. If you guys know me, if you're my friends, you know me, I'm quite blur in a certain sense. So Blurberry, tiap-tiap hari. For the bottom, I've decided to bring 2 long pants and 2 short pants. One of the short pants is actually a skirt in the front and the pants at the back. I wanted to bring only these 4, but things doesn't go to plan. This denim shorts, it kind of matches with everything. Usually people would like recommend or advise you to wear something denim for the shorts, or maybe like jeans for the pants, so that you can like match with other tops. It's easier to match basically. So conclusion, I'm going to bring extra one. The outerwear, I'm gonna bring this height. It's like a baseball jacket, I think. Actually, this is a guy size. The other one is this casual style. The third one would be this one. So I consider this is like 1 top, 1 outerwear. The 2 will be the shoes. I'm gonna bring my sports shoe and also my slippers. Yeah. There's no space to put my makeup stuff. Oh my god. So guys, I think it's not really working with that travel organizer bag, because I don't know, it's like it's fixed, you know, whereas it's like, how am I gonna say this? Okay, let me show you guys. What I meant is, you know, it's like there's like empty space here and also at the sides here, but because of the limitation of the bag, there's a lot of wasted space here. How am I gonna make this work? And This one is okay. I put my tops and my towel and my pajamas all in this bag, and there's some space here. This is where I'm gonna put my toiletries, and that's it. Then how am I gonna put my my makeup stuff and my other accessory stuff is not really ideal. Okay, I have to think about it. Like, how am I gonna puzzle all this to fit in my luggage bag? I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Yeah. Hi guys, so today is day 2. I know it takes me a while to pack stuff. I'm still actually packing it because I kind of overwhelmed on what should I pack, and at the same time I'm vlogging it. So I'm trying to figure out how to use that travel organizer bag so that it can be useful instead of buying it and just dumping there. I'll update you guys later on once I really figure it out. This is how I look today. It's kind of an irony because outside is kind of hot, but because it's hot, I turn on the aircon in the room and it gets cold, so I have to wear like long sleeve. Like, what? Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna start packing it now because tonight I'm going back to my parents' house, and then tomorrow we'll be departing to Penang. Hopefully I can get it done. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. It's like, where are you going? Why are you packing all your stuff? Are you leaving me behind? No, I'm not leaving you behind. I can't bring you along. So guys, I think I'm gonna stick with this. At first I was planning to use the travel organizer bag for my pants, but I don't see the point of it from what you see just now. So I feel like it's really no point. Like, it's just squeezing my pants even more. There's more space here, so I can just slip my pants in it, you see. And with that travel bag, it kind of restrict the area, and I'm gonna leave it like that with my tops and my pajamas in there, and then my undergarments and my sportswear, just in case I want to work out, you never know. I can still fit my makeup bag in here with my toiletries and my outerwear and my towel. I will still need my extra bag just to put my iPad and my skincare products, and also my digital cable stuff over here. I'm gonna put it back inside there. Okay, I changed to t-shirt because it's getting hot. I wouldn't say the travel organizer is useless. It has its function as well. It's just that it's not quite suitable for like smaller size luggage bag. If it's for like those bigger ones, maybe I will try it again for like longer days traveling, that kind. And yeah, because for me, I think that the travel organizer bag is more useful to put like those little stuff that will fall off. For example, like your socks, undergarments, that kind of like loose items. Yeah, that would be more suitable in using that bag. Otherwise, like big items like pants and tops, I don't see the point of using it. Unless your travel organizer bag is like really fitted to your luggage bag, then yeah, it will be useful for that. But it doesn't fit in my luggage bag, so in order to like fit it all in my luggage bag, I'm just gonna like 50-50 in using it, like what you see just now. 50-50 as in certain things I put in the travel organizer bag, and certain things I just leave it out in the luggage bag. It's all about you know, strategizing how to fit all your stuff into the luggage bag, puzzling up like the ends, the thicker part of the pants to fit with the thinner part of the pants, and then because we have a left and right side of the luggage, so when we have to like think, when we close it up, we really like clash together, you know, like bump into each other. So it's about thinking. That's why it took me like so many hours just to pack for that 6 days. And also I did a little mistake there. I put the clothing or the outfit that I'm going to wear to Penang in the luggage bag, so it kind of occupies the space, which is wrong. Is I'm not supposed to do that. So after that I noticed that, and it gives me more space to like better fit in all my stuff in it. Well, that is all. Thank you guys for taking long and watching my, I don't know what was all that, but I hope you enjoy watching the video. And if you want to purchase some of the items that I bought online, just go to the description box below and see if you can find it anywhere if you're outside of Malaysia. And if you're in Malaysia, you can just directly go to the link and purchase it. So let me know what you think about all the items. If you have bought it and tried it, let me know. I would love to know it and how you guys use it. So yeah, see you in your next video if I'm not lazy to edit this. And you coming with us now? So this is my dog's luggage. He also got one luggage. Ha 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 ha. All his stuff inside. Very cute. Hello. Hello. Okay lah, okay lah. VIP seat. Hello. Hello, Mr. Mickey. Mickey.